Hi everyone, my name is Yoav Waxman and I'm a professor of economics at Coastal Carolina University. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to schedule your class for the entire semester using Zoom. You're going to begin down here by clicking on the Zoom icon on your computer, and that's going to open the screen that looks like this. Out of these four options, you're going to choose to schedule a classroom. So I'm going to close this for a second and make that choice on my computer. And what that's going to do, it's going to open the window just like this one. And on top of the window, you can choose the class name. So I'm going to pick Econ 201 Macro. And you can choose the starting date for the class. So I'm going to pick August 19th, the beginning of the semester. And then it's very important that you click the recurring meeting button, which will allow you to duplicate this meeting for the entire semester. This will prompt Zoom to make you choose a password. You can use the existing password, which as you can see is right here in the middle. But you can change it to any 8-letter or number password of your choice. At the bottom of this window, you have advanced option. You can click on that. You can choose whether to enable or disable your waiting room. When you enable your waiting room, it means that the student will need your permission to go into the classroom. And then you can click on schedule. When you click on schedule, that's going to open up Outlook. And you're going to get something that looks just like this. As you can see, over here at the top, you have the class name. Right below it is the Zoom link for your class, right over here. Below it is the time for the class. Right now, there's only one occurrence, which means only one class meeting, but I'm going to show you how to create multiple class meetings. And then right below it, you can write a message in the same way you would write an email. And you can say, "Dear students, please accept this to join the class," or whatever message you want to write. The next step is to click on meeting right here on the top next to file. And that's going to create a drop-down menu. And in that drop-down menu, you're going to choose occurrences. And that's going to open another window that looks like this. In this window, you can see that you have the starting and ending time at the top, the days of the week in the middle, as well as a starting and ending time for the semester at the bottom. So let's fill those out. I'm going to leave the starting and ending time the same, but this time I'm going to pick Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for my class meeting because my class meets 3 times a week. And I'm also going to change the end date to December 4th, the end of the semester. And then I'm going to click OK. Now I can do one of two things. I can either send this as an email to all my students right away, in which case in their email account, and if they accept it, all the occurrence of your class will appear on their Outlook schedule, and they'll be able to click on each occurrence and go directly to the class. Or I could just save it for now and send to the student later. So I just save this document, and I'm going to close it down. And then I'm going to open my Outlook calendar. And as you can see, right now, I have multiple occurrences of this class. Over here, over here, over here. So I have the classroom not just for the first class meeting, but throughout the entire semester. If you need to, you can click on any of these, and you can forward this as a message to all of your students. You can either forward one class meeting, which is called forward occurrence, or you can forward all your class meetings. So you can always send your students additional reminders throughout the semester. So that was our tutorial on how to create and schedule a class at Zoom. If you have any question, please email me these questions at yoav@coastal.edu.